If you're looking for that low-carb keto takeaway, then my creamy chicken curry has you covered. All made from scratch and ditching the carbs, this is one curry you'll make again and again.
He's got budget meals for families, delicious new recipes. Bring your friends over, let's make it and share. It's Nico's Kitchen, where satisfying meals are prepared.
So into a pestle and mortar, place in roughly chopped onion along with green chilies. Now if you want this curry spicier, then leave the seeds in like I'm doing. If you want it more mild, then simply remove them. Next, add in some fresh coriander or cilantro, along with freshly crushed garlic and ginger. Season with salt and then start to break everything down until it forms a chunky paste. Next, into a saucepan over a medium heat, add in the butter. And when the butter is foaming and hot, add in the fresh chunky paste. Cook this for several minutes until it starts to soften and those flavors break down and the water content starts to evaporate. This will really intensify all those flavors. For the dry spices, I'm adding in ground cumin, ground coriander seed, and my own curry powder mix, which is simply a combination of turmeric, fenugreek, dried chili powder, allspice, and celery salt. Mix everything together really well and let the dry spices intensify in the pan for 4 to 5 minutes, stirring constantly so nothing burns on the bottom of the pan. Next, mix in some tomato paste and then add the chicken thighs. Get the thighs all coated in that wonderful mixture and then season with more salt and a dash of olive oil. Cook the chicken down over the medium heat, turning often for 8 to 10 minutes. Then add in thickened cream, mix and warm it through for several minutes. It will take on this wonderful colour and the smell coming from this is truly amazing. When it's time to serve, garnish with fresh coriander and serve with cauliflower rice if you want. The chicken is so tender, the sauce so fresh and flavourful. This makes a great meal for the family that's cutting its carbs. And as always, you'll find the ingredients list and the full recipe in the video description along with all the nutritional info. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you soon for another recipe.